Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Horizen token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Horizen is a privacy first blockchain platform that has evolved into a modular layer 3 app chain on Coinbase based network designed to make advanced privacy technology accessible for building complaint real world application. Privacy first platform. It integrates multiple privacy enhancing technologies like zero knowledge proofs to enable confidential and regulation friendly applications. EVM native layer 3. Horizen operates a high performance app chain on Base, offering developers Ethereum compatibility, scalability, and access to deep liquidity. DAO governed ecosystem. The native ZEN token powers governance, funds ecosystem growth, and is used for payments and staking within its privacy-focused apps. Horizen project institution rating is 4.6. Horizen token total supply is 21 million and circulating supply is around 17.94 million ZEN token. ZEN token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKX, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.